और बात उस खबर की जिसकी चर्चा इस वक्त पूरी दुनिया में है। अमेरिका के व्हाइट हाउस में कल ट्रंप और ज़ेलेंस्की सीधा आमने सामने आ गए।
दोनों के बीच में मुलाकात तो हुई, लेकिन तीखी बहस में मुलाकात तब्दील हुई। ट्रंप ने ज़ेलेंस्की को साफ कहा कि वो लाखों जिंदगियों से खेल रहे हैं और उन्होंने अमेरिका का अपमान किया है।
दरअसल ये बहस दोनों के बीच युद्ध विराम की बात को लेकर हुई। अमेरिकी उपराष्ट्रपति जेडी वेंस भी वहां मौजूद थे और उन्होंने भी ज़ेलेंस्की को अनादर करने वाला बताया। दोनों के बीच बहस इतनी बढ़ गई कि ज़ेलेंस्की और ट्रंप के बीच होने वाली प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस को रद्द करना पड़ा
और ज़ेलेंस्की तुरंत ही व्हाइट हाउस से बाहर निकल गए क्योंकि बहस काफी तीखी हो गई। और इस बहस में ज़ेलेंस्की ने कहा कि वो युद्ध विराम अपनी शर्तों पर मानेंगे क्योंकि रूस पहले इससे मुकर चुका है। और ये बहस ढेरों कैमरों के सामने हुई। इसके बाद दोनों देशों के बीच में तनातनी काफी बढ़ गई।
ट्रंप ने सीधे तौर पर कहा कि ज़ेलेंस्की तीसरे वर्ल्ड वॉर को न्योता दे रहे हैं और अमेरिका के बगैर यूक्रेन कुछ नहीं कर सकता। और ज़ेलेंस्की और ट्रंप की ये बहस काफी सुर्खियों में है क्योंकि कैमरे के सामने दो राष्ट्राध्यक्षों की, दो राष्ट्रपतियों की ऐसी झड़प आज तक दुनिया ने शायद कभी नहीं देखी होगी। बहस के बाद ज़ेलेंस्की वहां से बाहर निकल गए।
Don't tell us what we're going to feel. We're trying to solve a problem. Don't tell us what we're going to feel.
I'm not telling you.
Because you're in no position to dictate that. Remember this.
I'm not. Let's start from the beginning.
Sure.
First of all, during the war, everybody has problems. Even you. But you have nice ocean and don't feel now. But you will feel it in the future. God bless.
You don't know that.
God bless.
You don't
God
know
bless.
that.
You will not have a war.
You're in no position to dictate what we're going to feel. We're going to feel very good. We're going to feel very good.
You will feel influence.
We're going to feel very good and very strong.
You will feel influence.
You're right now not in a very good position. Disrespectful to the country, this country. That's
with
back
all
to
respect to
you.
your
Far
country.
more than a lot of people said they
respect.
should have.
Have you said thank you once?
A lot of time.
You've allowed
From
yourself
very,
to be in a
from
very
the
bad
very
position,
beginning
and he
of the
happens
war.
to be right about
From
it.
the very beginning of the war.
You're not
Mr.
in a good
Brown,
position.
I
You don't
was
have
in
the cards right now.
Think
You're
you-
gambling with World War
What do you-
III.
what do you
You're
think
gambling
about?
with
What do you
World
think
War
about?
III. And what you're doing is very
Disagree that you've had problems
What?
bringing people into your military?
we have problems?
And do you think that it's
I will
respectful
answer.
to come to the Oval Office
I
of
will
the United
answer.
States of America and attack the administration that is trying to prevent the destruction of your country?
A lot of questions.
No, in this
Even
entire
today,
meeting, you said thank
even
you.
today.
You went to Pennsylvania and campaigned for the opposition in October. Offer some words of appreciation for the United States
what
of
are you speaking
America
about?
and the president who's trying to save your country.
Very serious.
You're
I'm
gambling
the
with the
president
lives
in
of
war.
millions of people.
You think-
You're gambling with World War
What do you-
III.
what do you
You're
think about?
gambling with
What do you
World
think
War
about?
III. And what you're doing is very disrespectful to the country, this country. That's
with
back
all
to
respect to
you.
your
Far
country.
more than a lot of people said
Very
they
respect.
should have.
Have you said thank you once?
You think that if you will speak very loudly about the war, you
He's
can...
not speaking loudly. Your country's
Can I-
in big
can I-
trouble.
can I
Wait a
answer?
minute. No.
Can
You've
I
done a lot
answer?
of talking. Your country is in big trouble.
I know.
You're not winning.
I know.
You're not winning this.
I...
You have a damn good chance of
we are
coming out
staying,
okay because of
Mr.
us.
President, we are staying in our country, staying strong from the very beginning of the war. We've been alone, and we are thankful. I said thanks
You haven't
in
been
this
alone.
cabinet.
You
and
haven't
not
been
only
alone.
in this
We
cabinet.
gave you, through
I
this
said thank
stupid
you.
president, $350 billion.
You voted
we gave
for
you
your
military
president.
equipment,
You
and you
voted
men
for
are
your
brave,
president.
but they had to use our military.
What about
If you didn't have
You
our
invited
military
me-
equipment,
You invited
if
me
you
to
didn't
speak.
have our military equipment, this war would have been over in 2 weeks.
In 3
okay?
days, I heard it from Putin. In 3 days, this is something
Maybe
new.
less.
In 2 weeks, of course,
It's
yes.
going to be a very hard thing to do business like this. I tell you.
तो दोनों नेताओं के बीच हुई इस बहस की तस्वीरें पूरी दुनिया में सुर्खियां बटोर रही हैं और यूक्रेनी एम्बेसडर ने इसको लेकर के चिंता जताई है। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस रद्द हुई है, व्हाइट हाउस से फीकी विदाई हुई है, ज़ेलेंस्की अचानक से बाहर निकल गए हैं और इन सब के बीच बड़ा सवाल यह है कि आगे अब क्या होने जा रहा है रूस और यूक्रेन के युद्ध में।